Hello, it's Laurie here again. I just wanted to go into a little more detail about other things that can cause issues with our CAD models. And one of the big ones that we often come across are small gaps in between claws and settings, such as this. So that hole in there is small, and when the metal comes charging in, it's going to likely break that off. And so we're looking at a space here that's 0.02, 0.15 of a mil. So that piece of plaster is very tiny, and it's not strong enough to withstand the sort of force that we get within our casting, the metal temperature and the force that the metal's being put into the mold. So if you can plug these holes, just make a little plug for it like that, so the hole goes away, and then obviously the problem goes away. There's nothing there now that can break off and end up somewhere else in your casting, creating a hole. And one of the other things that we like to look at also are very, very sharp edges, such as this edge here on the shoulder stones and the one in the center stone. So if you put a small radius on those, such as 0.1 of a mil, that will just take off that sharp edge and also reduce the chance of things breaking away. And remember that zero point 0.1 of a mil is tiny compared to a 2-bar row saw blade. It's less than half the width of a 2-bar row saw blade. So you're not really going to notice a radius there, even though it looks large on the screen. It's really, really not in reality. So there we go, just one other thing to watch out for. Thanks again for watching. Take care.